Another one from Virginia.
This is a statement from the National Weather
Oh God.
Service. For the following counties in Virginia, Culpeper, Fauquier, and Madison. The National Weather Service in
Sterling!
Virginia has issued a flood warning for southwestern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, south central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, Madison County in northwestern Virginia until 2:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. At 10:36 a.m., numerous roads were reported closed in Madison, Culpeper, and southern Fauquier counties due to earlier heavy rains. Flooding is already occurring. This includes flooding continuing on the Robinson River and some backwater flooding on tributaries of the Rappahannock River near Remington. Some locations that may experience flooding include Culpeper, Madison, Bealton, Brightwood, Opal, Remington,
WHC is issuing
Leon,
this too.
Forbesville, Rava, Winston, Mitchells, Boston, Oak Park, Catalpa, Locust Dale, Twymings Mill, Haywood, Stevensburg, Aroda. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. All interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.